Hello everyone, this is Subhalakshmi. Welcome all of you. Today I am going to discuss about some MCQ of algae with their proper explanation. ଏହାର ପାର୍ଟ 1ରେ ମୁଁ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି 12 କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆଲଜିର ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିସାରିଛି। ଏବେ এই ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆଉ କିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେଖିବା। Before that, let's start from a beautiful line, that is, knowledge is light and yoga is might. Those who are full of these powers are able to pass in every adverse situation in a second. ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଜ୍ଞାନ ହେଉଛି ଆଲୋକ ଏବଂ ଯୋଗ ହେଉଛି ଶକ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଯିଏ ଏହି ଦୁଇଟି କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସିଏ ଯେକୌଣସି ବିପରୀତ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାକୁ କ୍ଷଣିକରେ ସେ ଅତିକ୍ରମ କରିପାରେ। ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କୌଣସି କଠିନ ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ମଧ୍ୟ ବିଚଳିତ କରିପାରେ ନାହିଁ। See the first question. Green snow in Europe is caused by Chlamydomonas nivalis, Chlamydomonas yellowstonesis, option C Scutellula, option D none of the above. Here the correct option is Chlamydomonas yellowstonesis. Chlamydomonas yellowstonesis caused the green snow and Chlamydomonas nivalis caused the red snow. See this slide, this is the green snow and it is caused by Chlamydomonas yellowstonesis. Okay. Then the next one, black snow is caused by Schitonema, Scutellula, option C Rhaphidophora, option D both B and C. Correct option is option D, that is B and C. Scutellula and Rhaphidophora both caused black snow. Then see the next one. Nostoc and Anabaena live symbiotically in option A Anthocyrus thallus, option B Azolla, option C coralloid root of cycas, option D all of the above. Here the correct option is option D. It means in the Anthocyrus thallus, Azolla, as well as also in the coralloid root of the cycas, Nostoc and Anabaena both are live symbiotically. See this slide. This is the Anthocyrus. Anthocyrus is a bryophyte. Okay. And in this slide, it is the internal structure of the Anthocyrus thallus. देख एठारे कि आलजी एठारे प्रेजेंट अच्छी आंथोसिरस थालस रे आलजी प्रेजेंट थाए मेनली cyanophycean member, that is blue green algae. So in the Anthocyrus thallus, blue green algae are present as symbiotically. This is the image of Azolla. Azolla is a pteridophyte and also in Azolla blue green algae are also present in symbiotically. This is the coralloid root of the cycas which is so apogeotrophic. Okay, and this is the anatomy of the coralloid root. देख algal zone केउंठी प्रेजेंट थाए मन रख कि मिडिल कॉर्टेक्स रे प्रेजेंट थाए देख एटा होची एपिडर्म बा पेरिडर्म देन द आउटर कॉर्टेक्स इज प्रेजेंट just below the outer cortex algal zone is present. Algal zone so algal zone is present at the middle cortex of the coralloid root of the cycas. So here the correct option is option D. सबुथिरे नॉस्टॉक आउ आनाबेना बा सियानोबैक्टेरिया माने तो एमाने symbiotically थांती. See the next one. Blue green algae which live endophytically in protozoans are called option A cyanophage, option B cyanobacteria, option C plasmids, option D cyanella. Here the correct option is option D, that is cyanella, because the cyanella is a primitive chloroplast. Okay, and it is widely accepted that the chloroplast has evolved from an endosymbiotic from cyanobacterium. So the correct option is option D. Again, which is endozoic algae? Option A Cladophora, option B Zoochlorella, ऑप्शन सी प्रोटोडर्मा, ऑप्शन डी नॉन ऑफ दिस। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज जूक्लोरेला। जूक्लोरेला इज ए एंडोजोइक आल्गा। देख एंडोजोइक आल्गार अर्थ ହେଉଛି ଯେଉଁ ଆଲଜି ଆନିମଲ୍ର ଭିତରେ ବଢ଼ିଥାଏ ବା ଗ୍ରୋ କରିଥାଏ। ଫର୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଜୁକ୍ଲୋରେଲା। ଜୁକ୍ଲୋରେଲା is found in the gastrodermal tract of the hydra viridis. See here. ଜୁକ୍ଲୋରେଲା ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ହାଇଡ୍ରାର ଗ୍ୟାଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡର୍ମାଲ ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟରେ ଥାନ୍ତି, ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଜୁକ୍ଲୋରେଲାକୁ ଏଣ୍ଡୋଜୋଇକ୍ ଆଲଜି ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ। ସୋ ହିୟର ଦ କରେକ୍ଟ ଅପସନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ବି, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଜୁକ୍ଲୋରେଲା। ଦେନ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍, ରେଡ୍ ସି ଇଜ୍ ରେଡ୍ ଡ୍ୟୁ ଟୁ କ୍ଲାମାଇଡୋମୋନାସ୍ ନିଭାଲିସ୍, ହେମାଟୋକୋକସ୍ ନିଭାଲିସ୍, ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଟ୍ରାଇକୋଡ୍ରେସମିୟମ୍ ଏରିଥ୍ରିୟମ୍, ऑप्शन डी स्कोटिएला। ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट। ट्राइकोड्रेसमियम एरिथ्रियम caused red sea. See this slide. This is the red sea which is caused by Trichodesmium erythrium, and Trichodesmium erythrium is a cyanobacteria, and Trichodesmium also commonly called sea sawdust. Okay. So here the correct option is Trichodesmium erythrium, which is a cyanobacteria and caused red sea. Then next question, which alga is commonly known as water net? Chara, Eulothrix, Hydrodictyon, option D none of these. Here the correct option is option C. Hydrodictyon is commonly known as water net. See this slide. This is the Hydrodictyon and commonly called water net. It is a freshwater green algae and it consists of colony of cylindrical cell. Okay. So it create a net like structure in the water body. So it is called water net. And the cell shape is pentagonal or hexagonal. Okay. And another important character of Hydrodictyon is the cell contain a parietal chloroplast with many small parinoids. अर्थात parietal chloroplast Hydrodictyon रे देखा जाए with many small parinoids also present. Then next one, simplest non-motile unicellular coccoidal alga is Chlorella, option B diatom, option C Corococcus, option D none of these. Here the correct option is option C, that is Corococcus. See this slide. These are Corococcus, which are simplest non-motile unicellular coccoidal algae, has paired hemisphere. Okay. Cells inside a mucilaginous envelope. Hemisphered cells contain करिथाए ए Corococcus माने, and cells होचंती non-motile. So here the correct option is option C. Then next one, unbranched floating filament are found in Eulothrix, Odogonium, Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas. Correct option is option C, that is Spirogyra. Spirogyra are unbranched floating filament. See this slide. This is Spirogyra, and which is a filamentous unbranched multicellular and freshwater non-motile green algae. Okay. And also Spirogyra is commonly known as pond silk or water silk. Why? Because they are bright green silky appearance. Okay. So here option C is the correct option. Spirogyra have unbranched floating filament, which is commonly also called pond silk or water silk. Okay. Then next one, thallus differentiated into prostrate and erect system is called heterotrichous, siphonous, option C pseudoparenchymatous, option D parenchymatous. Correct option is option A, that is heterotrichous. Okay. ଯେତେବେଳେ ବୋଥ୍ ପ୍ରୋଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇରେକ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ୍ ଥାଲସ୍ରେ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସିଏଟେଡ଼୍ ହେଇଥିବ, ଆମେ ସେହିଭଳି ଥାଲସ୍ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ୍କୁ ହେଟେରୋଟ୍ରାଇକସ୍ ବୋଲି କହିବା। ମୋଷ୍ଟ କମନ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ heterotrichous thallus is Colliokitty. In Colliokitty shows both prostate and erect system. So it is called heterotrichous habitat. Not habitat but the thallus structure. Okay, two types of present ना, so ସେଥିପାଇଁ prostate ଆଉ erect system ଦେଖାଯାଏ ବୋଲି thallus ରେ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ heterotrichous. And siphonous type of thallus organization କୋଉଠି ଦେଖାଯାଏ? In Vaucheria. See this slide. This is the slide picture of the Vaucheria, and in which the thallus body is siphon like. Okay, so it is called siphonous. And pseudoparenchymatous thallus present in Batrachospermum, also in Polysiphonia. Okay, and again the parenchymatous form is formed in the Olva, Scytonema, Sargassum. These are the example in which parenchymatous thallus is present. So here the correct option is option A, that is heterotrichous. And it is most important question. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत थर पचारानी, तेणु ये क्वेश्चन टाक मन रख जे हेटेरोट्राइकस हाबिटाट जोटे जो कि प्रोस्टेट आउ इरेक्ट सिस्टम देखा जाए, सॉरी हाबिटाट नुहे थालस स्ट्रक्चर, हेटेरोट्राइकस एता थालस स्ट्रक्चर को कहा जाए. ओके, प्रोस्टेट आउ इरेक्ट सिस्टम थाए बोली सेतिपय ताकू कहती हेटेरोट्राइकस. फॉर एग्जांपल कलियोकिटी, इन कलियोकिटी हेटेरोट्राइकस टाइप रो थालस स्ट्रक्चर देखा जाए. देन सी द नेक्स्ट वन. फ्रॉग स्पॉन alga is Macrocystus, Sargassum, option C Batrachospermum, option D none of these. Option C is the correct, that is Batrachospermum. Batrachospermum is commonly known as frog spawn. See this slide, it is the Batrachospermum. And why it is called frog spawn algae? Because the thallus is filamentous and branching abundantly and has a mucilaginous texture. So they resemble with the frog's egg. So it is Batrachospermum is called frog spawn alga. Okay. So here the correct option is option C. Then the next question. Highest number of chromosome in algae is in. अर्थात क्यों algae रे highest number of chromosome थाए? ऑप्शन ए porphyra, ऑप्शन बी यूलोथ्रिक्स, ऑप्शन सी नेट्रियम, ऑप्शन डी नॉन ऑफ दिस. हियर द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज नेट्रियम. See, this is natrium in which highest number of chromosome is found. Okay. Then see the last question. Non-flagellated thin-walled spores in algae are called zoospore, hypnospore, aplanospore, zygospore. Correct option is option C, that is aplanospore. ये क्वेश्चन मध्य बहुत इंपोर्टेंट कि नॉन फ्लाजेलेटेड एवं थिन वाल्ड स्पोर. आप्लानोस्पोर होची थिन वाल्ड स्पोर विथ नॉन फ्लाजेलेटेड मीन्स फ्लाजेला न थाए, से एटा होची नॉन मोटाइल. ए प्रकार स्पोर आलजी रे फॉर्मेशन हुए जहाकू आप्लानोस्पोर बोली कहा जाए. ए स्लाइड रे देखो, this is the aplanospore of Spirogyra. Okay, aplanospore formed during the unfavorable condition inside the mother cell, and it is non-motile, uninucleate. One nucleus is present, so uninucleate and thin-walled. Okay, thin-walled cell. So it is called aplanospore, and they germinate under the favorable condition. And see, this is the hypnospore. Hypnospore, it is the thick walled cell. Okay, see, this is the hypnospore, and it is the thick walled cell, but aplanospore is thin walled cell, and hypnospore formed during the drought condition. And how it is formed? The entire protoplast of a cell may round up and form a single thick walled structure called hypnospore. मन रख, एटा होची thick walled. Okay, but aplanospore is thin walled cell. बहुत इंपोर्टेंट कि थिक वाल्ड होची हिप्नोस्पोर आउ थिन वाल्ड होची आप्लानोस्पोर. अनेक थर क्वेश्चन पचारुची, तेणु ये क्वेश्चन को मन रख. Here also aplanospore are formed under unfavorable condition, and aplanospore are non-motile structure in which protoplasm get surrounded by a thin cell wall. Okay, so it is the aplanospore. The aplanospore on release from new plant, for example eulothrix. eulothrix रे मध्य aplanospore formation देखा जाए. And this is hypnospore. It is formed in extremely unfavorable condition. The protoplast develop thick wall and the structure develop is called hypnospore. It is thick walled cell. The hypnospore also germinate like aplanospore on approach of favorable condition. aplanospore भली favorable condition आसिले hypnospore germinate करे. किंतु एटा मन रख एटा होची thick walled cell and aplanospore is the thin walled cell. सो आमे ए वीडियो रे आलजीर किछि एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन करनेले एवं नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आउ किछि क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करिबा. ओके, थैंक यू.